The fuel of entrepreneur is obsessions. Take a moment to think of your exemplary people. Regardless of whether they are leaders, athletes or musicians, we guarantee that they are successful because they are obsessed. When you hear the word obsessed, you might think it's a bad thing. This is true only if you are obsessed with something that is not healthy. They are obsessed not only with the things that make them successful but also with the things that will keep this success going. Here are 8 reasons why obsessed people are more likely to succeed. 1. Obsession gives you courage. When you're obsessed, new beginnings are easier for you. After falling down, you have the courage to stand up to your fears. It took courage for Michael Jordan to continue playing basketball after being kicked out of the high school team. The author Ambrose Redmoon expresses this perfectly: courage is not the lack of fear, but the judgment that something beyond fear is more important. 2. Obsession makes you an expert in time management and planning. A successful business owner must be loyal to his daily schedule, because if you don't follow him closely, you may not be able to meet your daily or long-term goals. The most important aspect of the daily program is that it allows you to spend your time only on productive activities. If a meeting has no purpose, you will not include it in your calendar. You can also more easily manage the time you spend on activities such as reading or exercise. 3. The obsession encourages thinking and innovation. When you are obsessed, you want to constantly learn and develop. This may sound impulsive to some people, but not for successful people. Because of their obsession, they are constantly thinking about new opportunities and innovative ways to develop a product or service. In fact, so successful people are known for taking the time to use techniques such as reflection and feedback loops. People like Elon Musk say that feedback loops allow them to question their way of thinking and raise their awareness of the issues that can improve them. 4. The obsession keeps your energy and attention in focus. Let's say you're craving for a donut and tea on a Saturday morning. That's the only thing you have in mind right now. Naturally, you're going to take your keys and wallet and buy them in a donut to satisfy your desire. Successful people experience this feeling on a daily basis. When they want something, they devote all their attention and energy to making these desires a reality. They can't focus on anything else until they reach their goal. 5. Obsessed people like to say no. As many parents would agree, most children's favorite word is no. The same goes for successful people. Warren Buffett once said that very successful people have an advantage over average successful ones. They say no to almost everything. Why do successful people depend on such a negative word? If they always say yes, it not only distracts them but also prevents them from realizing their dreams and ambitions. 6. Obsessed people make informed decisions. Successful people take personal responsibility instead of looking for crime in others. For example, if their business fails, they do not blame customers. Moreover, they view their failures as a learning experience and enable the development of subsequent business ventures. 7. Obsessed people seek mentors. Reading and theoretical knowledge can take you to a point. Entrepreneurs need a Yoda to apply the knowledge and skills they have learned in books. Malcolm Gladwell spread the idea that it took 10,000 hours to master a mastery. Then you can also accelerate your own learning process by using the knowledge of others. Successful people actively seek out a mentor who can help them to their best. Your mentor can be a writer, professor or local company owner. 8. Obsession beats ability. Tom Brady is considered one of the best quarterbacks of all time. His talent may have given him this position, and he might have put him in the NFL, yet he continued to work unceasingly. Conor McGregor said in a short documentary that he conquered UFC in this way: it's an obsession. Actually, no talent, we are all equal as human beings. If you take the time, you can be the person you want. I'm obsessed, not be talented. The obsession may seem like a bad thing, but it is a fuel for entrepreneurs if it is directed to the right things.